Good morning, students. This is the summary of today's lecture. In previous lecture, we have started lesson 5, land use, farming and forests. Now, today we will cover the next topic, that is forests. Now, forests. What is forest? Forest is a piece of land with many trees. Forests are very important and grow in many places around the world. Many animals need forests to live and survive. Now come to Pakistan. Pakistan does not have great forest resources. Now there are some reasons. इनकी कुछ वजूहात हैं. Now the reasons are the land is not very fertile. The land of Pakistan. We are talking about Pakistan, so the land is not very fertile. The other reason is trees are cut down. The reason is that trees are cut down to be used as firewood, and even if trees are replanted, it takes a long time for them to grow. Now, grazing animals reduced forests. When forests are cut down or reduced because of grazing animals, we also lose the wildlife that lives there. Cutting down large area of forest can also have an impact on the climate. The other reason is that climate मौसम को कहते हैं, ठीक है ना. फॉरेस्ट जो है वो क्लाइमेट पे बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट करते हैं. Now types of forests. We have different types of forest. The first one is alpine. The second one is coniferous. The third one is dry forest. Fourth is thorn or rock. Fifth is mangroves. Sixth is riverine forest. And last is plantation. The first type of forest is alpine. The alpine forests, they grow in snowy conditions. Due to the cold climate, above height of 4,000 meters, trees do not grow properly. बहुत ज़्यादा कोल्ड क्लाइमेट में जब आप 4,000 मीटर्स हाई चले जाते हैं तो वहाँ पर जो ट्रीज़ हैं वो प्रॉपरली ग्रो नहीं करते. इन पाकिस्तान अल्पाइन फॉरेस्ट आर फाउंड ऑन द माउंटेन्स ऑफ गिलगित बल्तिस्तान, चित्राल, दीर एंड स्वात. The second type of forest is coniferous forest. These forests are found in the lower parts of the mountains of the north. The examples are Mari, Nathia Gali and hills of Balochistan. In these forests, there are fir, spruce, deodar and kale trees. There are also a number of trees such as oak, maple, willow, birch, chestnut and juniper. The wood from these trees is very valuable. Balochistan has one of the largest and oldest juniper forests in the world near ज़ियारत. बलूचिस्तान में सबसे पुराना और सबसे बड़ा, वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा juniper forest मौजूद है. ज़ियारत is a place in Balochistan, right? And some trees are believed to be 5,000 years old, और उसमें कुछ trees ऐसे हैं जो कि 5,000 साल पुराने माने जाते हैं. The third type of forest is dry forest. As you seen in the picture, बिल्कुल dry है forest, ठीक है ना. These are found in the Potohar Plateau region around Jhelum, Rawalpindi, Attock, Kohat, Peshawar and in the Suleiman range in Balochistan. In these type of forests, they have evergreen trees such as the pola and cow. The next type of forest is thorn or rock. Now, there are very few forests in the western Balochistan and over most of Punjab and Sindh. The reason is that the climate is too dry and the soil is not very fertile in Balochistan for much vegetation. These areas contain thorny hardwood trees such as acacia. Thorny means कांटेदार. The next type of forest is mangrove. These are found in the south of Pakistan along the coast. Coast कहते हैं बीच, आप कह सकते हैं साहिल को, ठीक है ना. And in the delta area of river Indus. Mangroves do not grow very tall. ये बहुत ज़्यादा tall नहीं होते because of salty water. Because they are near the coast, so because of salty water they do not grow very tall. ये बहुत ज़्यादा tall grow नहीं कर सकते. But they do provide a home and sources of food for different kinds of marine life. Mangroves also protect the coastal area from erosion and natural disasters such as storms and tsunamis. The next type of forest is riverine forest. They are also called bella forest. These kind of forests are found close to rivers. Close to rivers means दरियाओं के करीब पाए जाते हैं. The babul, a form of acacia. Acacia is a type of tree. कीकर, उर्दू में उसको कीकर कहते हैं, ठीक है ना. So, babul, a form of acacia, and shisham are the most common trees in these forests. The shisham is a very strong hardwood used mostly for furniture. हम इस लकड़ी से फर्नीचर बनाते हैं. The largest riverine forests are in Sindh along the river Indus. The last type of forest is plantations. They are man-made forest. Man-made forest means ये इंसानों ने खुद जो plants लगाते हैं, ये वो वाले forest है. And they are normally where there is enough water. जहाँ पर हमें proper water मिलता है, हम वहाँ पर ज़्यादा plantation करते हैं. Usually near rivers and canals or close to the dams. ठीक है ना. जो हम नॉर्मली रिवर्स के करीब, कैनाल्स, नहरें जिसको हम कहते हैं, और डैम्स के करीब हम प्लांटेशन करते हैं. द कॉमनली ग्रोन ट्रीज आर शीशम, बाबुल एंड इकोलिप्टस. Eucalyptus is the fast growing plant. It has medicine properties and natural insecticide. It is also called a very thirsty tree. Its roots spread deep underground and draw up all the water they can. इसकी जो roots हैं वो deep underground चली जाती हैं और जितना water वो ले सकती हैं वो ले लेती हैं. So it is also used to drain swamps and marshes. Swamps और marshes means दलदल, ठीक है. Now, importance of forests. Why we need forests? There are many good reasons that why we need forests. The first and very important thing is that green plants make oxygen. Plants जो हैं वो हमारे लिए oxygen produce करते हैं. Humans and animals need oxygen to breathe and to stay alive. हमें ज़िंदा रहने के लिए जो सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ चाहिए वो है ऑक्सीजन. अगर ऑक्सीजन नहीं होगी तो हम ज़िंदा नहीं रह पाएंगे. Now the second important thing is that medicines which we made from the different parts of many plants. ठीक है, हम plants के different parts और different plants को use करके अपने लिए medicines बनाते हैं. The third thing is that the wood we get from the plants for making buildings and for making furnitures, right? And many other things. बहुत सारी चीज़ें लकड़ी से हम बनाते हैं और उनको use करते हैं. Trees also give us fruits, wood, bark, flowers and nuts. Their leafy branches are ideal homes for birds. आपने देखा है ना कि trees की branches पे different birds जो हैं वो अपने लिए घर बनाए हुए उन्होंने होता है. फिर small creatures and insects वो भी वहाँ trees में ही रहते हैं ज़्यादातर. So it is very much important that we preserve the trees which grow in our forests and gardens. We must also plant more trees wherever we can. So I hope you understand all the lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.